This video explains the engineering principles and benefits of the Triumph dynamic luggage system. Unlike other luggage systems which are rigidly fixed to the bike, the Triumph system allows the panniers a small amount of controlled movement through a 5-degree arc. This is enough to decouple the mass of the luggage from the bike itself and to prevent it from transferring unwanted loads to the rear subframe and compromising high-speed stability. So how does it work? We all understand that apparently solid objects can bend out of shape when a force is applied to them. We also understand that they'll try to bend back again. This process can set up vibrations, which we can demonstrate with this steel rule. We can see that when a force bends the rule, it tries to return to its original shape, and as it does so, it overshoots and starts vibrating. With time, the vibrations decrease and it becomes stable again. When a motorcycle is travelling at speed, there are shaking forces acting on the bike from bumps in the road and from aerodynamic effects, all of which can make the rear subframe act a bit like our steel rule and shake from side to side. Obviously, the amount of movement is much less than we saw in the rule, but the principle is the same. In some cases, a resonance effect can happen, where the rear part of the bike shakes from side to side, which can affect its stability at high speed. This effect is much more likely and more noticeable if hard luggage is attached. These blocks represent panniers rigidly attached to a bike. If we apply a force to the ruler, we can see what effect they have. In this example, the extra mass of the blocks helps the vibration to continue for a surprisingly long time. However, when we decouple the mass of the blocks from the ruler in a similar way to the dynamic luggage system, we can see a dramatic difference. In the real world, bikes are affected by various forces, such as bumps, turbulence, side winds, or indeed combinations, which can set up an unwanted resonance and have a detrimental effect on the handling of the bike. By decoupling the mass of the luggage from the subframe, the Triumph dynamic luggage system is designed to limit the effects of these forces and prevent harmful resonances taking hold. This helps to maintain the stability of the bike. The benefit to the rider is not just a more stable bike at high speed, but also a more agile bike at lower speeds, as Triumph's engineers are able to take advantage of the high speed stability given by the luggage system by designing in sharper steering geometry.